Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you how to make this jerk chicken. I'll be using this chicken breast, and then I also have my jerk seasoning that I got. This is the jerk seasoning and this is the really hot and spicy one. So they have different ones. They have the mild one, and you can just go with anyone you want. I already washed my chicken breast and cut them like more so they can get done quickly. So I slice them more like flatter so they can get done quickly. If you're new on here, welcome to my channel. Please do go ahead and subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't get to miss my next video. I do all cooking. I'm not a professional chef, but I just love cooking. Okay, so I already have a recipe down below. I'll leave everything in the description box of chicken wings, some crispy, nice, yummy chicken wings. So I'll leave that in the description box, and also leave it in the link up here. So if you want to check that out as well, you can go ahead and check that out. Yeah, so this is the hot and spicy one, the jerk seasoning. I got this from Walmart. So with this, I don't get to put in much spices because it already has everything in it. So it's spicy, it has all the it just has all the right quantity of spice in it, so I just don't bother putting any more spice in it. So I know most of you are here because of my chicken wing recipe, and yeah, I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I'm really happy that you guys are here. I have another chicken wing recipe coming on next Sunday because, as you guys know, I post every Sunday. So I have another chicken wing. You guys do not want to miss this, like a funny chicken wing recipe that I created myself. I just did it myself and it came out bomb. So you guys do not want to miss that. I have that coming next Sunday. So, and it's also with the air fryer. So yes, I'm here to give you guys all the air fryer recipes. So this is what it's looking like. Then I am going to go ahead and put on my green seasoning and rub on my green seasoning on there. The green seasoning I made myself. I'll also leave the video link in the description box or somewhere up there as well. Just check the description box and it will definitely be there. I made this myself as well, and you can make it yourself. You can watch that video and see how to make it yourself. It makes your chicken or whatever you're doing taste so good. So this is what my chicken is looking like right now. I already sprayed a little bit of oil, avocado oil, in my air fryer pot. So I'm going to place this all in my air fryer pot right now, and then I am going to put it on the air fryer. I did the first one I did for the 41 minutes, and then I added more 20 minutes to it, and that was it. So this is it. Let's go ahead and pop that in the air fryer. And you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't done that already. I'll definitely see you guys next Sunday for my chicken wing recipe again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.